Looking for a fun Father's Day card? Check out this Father's Day card wallet. To create your Father's Day wallet, you will need coloured card, white paper, scissors, a ruler, felt tip pens and glue. Start by carefully cutting the A4 coloured card in half. Now take one of the card halves and fold the bottom edge up towards the top, stopping about 1 centimetre short of the top. Make a strong crease. Now it's time to add a dab of glue along the left and right side of the folded card to hold it in place and create a pocket. Now bring the left hand side of the card to the right to fold it in half and make a strong crease. This will be the main body of the wallet. For the next part, measure and cut out a rectangle measuring 8 centimetres by 5 centimetres from the white paper and the remaining coloured card. Glue the white rectangle to the left hand side inside the wallet. Now add a dab of glue along the left and right and bottom edge of the coloured card rectangle. Then glue this onto the right hand side inside the wallet. By not gluing the top edge, you will create a pocket. You can now draw a picture of you and your father figure on the white rectangle. You can also write a small note on some white paper and tuck it into the pocket you just made, along with another larger message on some white paper, and tuck that into the larger pocket at the back of the wallet. You can also add any additional designs to your wallet using a felt tip pen or pencil. You now need to cut a long rectangle of coloured card measuring 7 centimetres by 2 centimetres and a smaller rectangle measuring 6 centimetres by 1.5. Now place the wallet face down on the table. Glue the long rectangle to the wallet's back cover so most of it sticks out on the left hand side. This will be the wallet strap. Add a dab of glue to the very top and bottom of the smaller rectangle. Hold it vertically and stick it on the right hand side of the wallet's front cover. This will be the wallet's buckle. Fold the wallet in half and slot the strap through the buckle to hold the wallet shut. Use the felt tip pens or pencils to add any finishing touches or designs to your Father's Day wallet card.